course right here, I didn't create it. I don't do the customer service on it. I don't even deliver it to the customers. And yet I still make money off of this course. How, you may ask? Affiliate marketing. Hey you guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna be sitting down and chit-chatting with you guys about affiliate marketing and if you can actually make money from it or if it's just a scam and you shouldn't waste your time. We're gonna be covering all that good stuff plus more in today's video, so if that's something you're interested in, then just keep watching. And make sure you stay to the end of this video because I'm gonna be sharing 3 awesome tips on how to increase your affiliate earnings. Affiliate income is the money you make from affiliate marketing, and the actual definition of the word affiliate is to officially attach or connect to an organization. Affiliate marketing is where you go and sign up to be an affiliate for products you like to use. And yes, you could be an affiliate for products that you don't like or you don't use, but I do not recommend that, and that is not something I teach as part of my strategy. And once you're signed up, the company who created the product then gives you a custom link that is unique to you. And then as an affiliate marketer, you're gonna go and create content reviewing those products, and you can add your affiliate link in that content. So then when people go and buy the product through your affiliate link, you're earning a commission off of that, which means the company is paying you a percentage of the sale of that product. And that commission rate is different depending on the company you are an affiliate marketer for. And there really is no limit unless there is a company out there that has specific terms and conditions that you need to meet as an affiliate, meaning you're only an affiliate for that company. Other than that, you can be an affiliate for as many companies and products as you like. While affiliate marketing income can vary a lot depending on you as a person, the niche you've chosen, the types of products that are being promoted, etc. There's a lot of variables, but let's hop onto my computer and look at some of the stats. So the stats I'm going to share with you guys today came from the Taboola blog, and I'll go ahead and link that down in the description below if you want to go check it out. But the first stats we want to look at come from PayScale. And when we look at it here, they say the average affiliate marketer's salary is $51,541 a year, and that's the median, which is a lot of money. And you can see here that low end affiliate marketers are making about $38,000 a year, and that high end is around $72,000 a year. And what I really like about this is they polled a lot of affiliate marketers. So you can see down here the individuals that reported was 7,715 affiliate marketers, and this was updated March 3rd, 2021, so it's pretty up to date, and they talked to a lot of people to get this average number, and that number is pretty high. But if we take a look at the second stats, which come from ZipRecruiter, you can see that the affiliate marketing salary is this huge number right here. So this poll, the national average is a lot higher than the one from PayScale, and they break it down and they say, you know, if the national average, you're making about $74 an hour as an affiliate marketer. And according to this poll, the low-end affiliate marketers are making between $11,000 and $50,000, and that high end is much higher than the one on PayScale, which is that $400,000 range, which is pretty cool. And I believe that this poll was also updated really recently as of March 29th, 2021. You can see that is their average. So again, pretty up to date at the time of me filming this video, which is in April of 2021. But you can see down here they talk a little bit more on their case study and what they found. So to answer the title of this video, yes, you can absolutely make money with affiliate marketing, and you can make good money. No, it is not a scam. And what's really cool is most of this income that is reported by these affiliate marketers is passive income, essentially making money while you sleep. And that is a really cool concept, and is probably one of the main reasons that draws people to affiliate marketing. So this idea of passive income, let me try and help give you a big picture of what it actually looks like. So as an affiliate marketer, you're going to be creating content on the platform of your choice. So let's say you've chosen YouTube, and you're going to make some videos reviewing products and things that you like and you're an affiliate marketer for. So you go ahead, you add your custom link down in the description below of your YouTube videos, and now that content is up for as long as you want to keep it up, and that means people can go back, they watch that video, click on those links, and buy those products. So that means you're doing the work up front to make one video, but now you have the ability to make money off of that for weeks or months or even years to come. So this idea of passive income means you can still be making money while not working.
Sometimes my genius is, it's almost frightening.
Now, before I share my tips with you on how to increase your affiliate earnings, I want to share with you some examples of people who are doing very well in the affiliate marketing space to help inspire you and just get that motivation pumping. In 2020, this guy surpassed the $3 million mark in sales from one single affiliate program. Say what? This awesome babe is a really successful full-time YouTuber, and affiliate marketing is still her most profitable income stream. And in 8 months, she had made over $44,000 just from affiliate marketing. And this guy, who is a serial podcaster and runs the very famous podcast Entrepreneurs on Fire, makes money monthly from affiliate marketing, and he even won a free car through his affiliate marketing. These people are so cool and have utilized affiliate marketing to the fullest. And as you can see here, affiliate marketing can be a great first business to start. And I actually have a video talking all about that I will link down in the description below. But it is also another amazing income stream to add to your already existing streams of income. Now let's get into the tips. Tip number 1 is focus on creating content. So what I highly recommend you do as an affiliate marketer is go pick 1 or 2 platforms, because if you start to branch out to all of them too fast, you're going to get overwhelmed and you're going to get burnt out. But pick 1 or 2 platforms that you can learn about, that you can stay consistent on, and then offer value on that platform. And I know everybody says that, offer value, but your goal as an affiliate marketer is to build a fan base. People who love your content, they love your personality, and they want to support you, but more importantly, they also trust you. Focus on making good quality content consistently that's actually going to help your audience out, and focus more on the people and not necessarily just the product you're an affiliate marketer for. Tip number 2 is actually buy the product and familiarize yourself with it. So a lot of affiliate marketers, they want to promote these products, they want to share it with the world, but they don't actually know what the product is about or how it works, or if it's even a good product. So as an affiliate marketer, take the time to actually buy and use the products you're recommending. And this goes back to my first tip. If you don't actually know anything about the product, how can you recommend it to your audience? What if you're recommending a product that is actually garbage? That's going to make it so your audience doesn't trust you very much, and you're not going to get very many sales as an affiliate marketer because people simply don't trust you. So the best way to avoid that is actually buy and use the products. And that not only helps build the trust within your audience, but let me tell you, it is so much easier to promote a product if you've used it, you know the ins and outs of it, you know the pros and cons, all that good stuff. It is 10 times easier to promote it and sell it if you actually know how it works. Regardless if it's a physical product, a course, a service, a software, whatever it is, buy it and use it yourself. Tip number 3 is don't give up. And I know this sounds so cheesy, but those examples I showed you of those people who are making lots of money with affiliate marketing, that didn't happen overnight for them. A lot of it was years of hard work and pushing. And for some of you out there, I know you're looking for some fast cash and making that money really quickly online. Affiliate marketing may not be for you, but if you can stick with it, if you can keep learning about it and keep improving your craft, you can make amazing money from affiliate marketing. But it does take some time. So don't give up, keep pushing. And if you keep working and doing all of that, you're gonna be able to achieve those passive income dreams, you know, making money while you're on vacation or with your friends or family, all that good stuff. You can do that if you stick with it. So there you guys go. I think I'm gonna wrap up this video right here. If you did like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. It really does help support my channel and me so much, and I would greatly appreciate it. And I also upload every Tuesday and Thursday, so make sure you stay tuned for all of those good videos coming your way. I hope you guys have an amazing day, and I will catch you on the next video. Bye, dudes.